Depression stats are its highest, but अपन किसी की इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी देखते हैं तो ऐसे क्यों लगता है कि इसकी लाइफ तो कोई मूवी से कम नहीं है. लोग सोशल मीडिया पे डिफरेंट एक्ट क्यों करते हैं रियल लाइफ में. रियल The thing is, if you want to know a person really, you have to see their comment section. वो कहाँ कमेंट करते हैं, कैसे कमेंट करते हैं. क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया पे तो सिर्फ पॉलिश स्टफ दिखाते हैं लोग. एंड द थिंग इज, दे आर नॉट इनहेरेंटली बैड. लोग लोगों को हम खराब नहीं कह सकते इसके लिए. दे आर जस्ट फॉलोइंग अ सोशल कंस्ट्रक्शन दैट इज मेड अप जस्ट फॉर पीपल लाइक देम. सोसाइटी में वैलिडेट इन चीज़ों के लिए करती है कि तुम इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी डालो, फ्लैशी दिखो, पैसे हो तुम्हारे पास, लड़कियाँ हो तुम्हारे पास, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. बट द थिंग इज, पीपल डू एक्चुअली वांट इट. क्या वो लोग एक्चुअली खुश हैं ये सब करके? आई डोंट थिंक सो. ऑल्सो वन थिंग इज, विच वर्जन ऑफ देम इज एक्चुअली रियल. उन दोनों में से रियल कौन सा वर्जन है? पहला जो ये कह रहा है कि आई एम द हैप्पीएस्ट, आई एम क्रूजिंग थ्रू लाइफ, या दूसरा जो एक्चुअली लाइक कर रहा है वो रील्स को, जो दिखा रहा है कि दे आर प्रोबेबली लोनली. I think people are more lonely than ever. They just don't realize it, and they don't want to realize this. Social media was brought to bring us closer to them, but we are more far than ever. I think people just need to actually realize that we do need actually each other. They can't just leave everything behind. They can't leave the hard conversations as it was. No, it doesn't work like that. No, relationship doesn't work like that. You have to put in the work. You have to actually show up just to be a good friend. The thing is, happiness became a status symbol. The thing is, happiness became a status symbol. People just don't want to be successful. They want to seem as being successful. वो सिर्फ ये नहीं चाहते कि वो सक्सेसफुल हो, वो चाहते हैं तुम उन्हें देखो कि वो सक्सेसफुल है. क्यों? इतनी वैलिडेशन क्यों चाहिए तुम्हें? या तुम्हें एक्चुअली नहीं चाहिए, तुम सोच रहे हो कि तुम्हें चाहिए. Can't people just be happy on their own? मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिखा है मेरे नोट्स में. Nobody sees just paying bills and surviving on Tuesday. तुमने देखा है किसी को ये बोलते हुए इंस्टा पे? मैंने तो नहीं देखा. द थिंग इज, इट डजंट लुक कूल, इट डजंट लुक फ्लैशी. ये तो रियल है ना, हर किसी के पास है. डजंट वर्क. फ्लैशी नहीं है ना. The thing is, people actually hide their true struggles behind all of this. They actually have so much resentment towards each other. People hate each other in real life and actually like each other's photos. That is just crazy to me. A person liking your photo would be hating you, would be just wishing to God that you die. But he will be liking your photos. That is just fucking crazy. Also, social media created a false baseline. It created a false bubble inside people's head. People are actually living here, but they will show that they live here. When they actually get the reality that this gap this gap becomes the depression. This gap is the real deal. It just shows you how much we have progressed as a society into a really full circle movement of depression and just full circle movement of being depressed, chronically asleep, dehydrated. Plus, the one big thing I didn't tell you is companies actually benefit from all this. They benefit from you not sleeping. वो चाहेंगे कि तुम ना सो, बल्कि उनका प्लेटफॉर्म छोड़ के जाओ. That's why you don't sleep at night. That's why most of the population nowadays just doesn't sleep at night. They sleep in the morning when they are actually supposed to do the work. When humans were actually supposed to do the work. तब काम करना है तो तब वो सो जाते हैं. Just crazy. See you tomorrow.